Good morning, it's the 26th of September and I'm having morning snuggles with this one. We're going to the beach today and that is why my hair is just the way it is. I don't know what she's moaning out, but yeah, we're going to the beach today, so that's why I haven't done anything with my hair and it's getting lighter and lighter every day. But we had a really good and lovely pool day yesterday. Really enjoyed it. My mum's put the hairdryer on, but yeah, so I'm gonna get dressed as I'm still in my Jimmy Jams, and this one needs to get dressed too. Yeah, need to get dressed too. Yeah, where's them smiles? Where's them smiles gone? Show me, Smiler.
What's that smell?
What's that smell?
Michael.
So yeah, I will catch you a bit later. So roll on God knows how many hours later, we went to the beach. It was a disaster. We got there, it was so windy. The sea was really rough, and we did spend about 2 hours there, but the wind was just blowing the sand like crazy. So we decided to pack up. We'd moved twice, and the umbrella kept going inside out. The baby ate a handful of sand. But other than that, it was fine. The sea was rough, and it was good to get in and sort of jump the waves and everything, but it was just crazy. But then we came back, got in the pool. It was a bit cold. Got out, had a shower. I've done a little bit more crochet. Today I bought a new purse. It's not real. It was from the Chinese shop that I've spoke about before, with a wool. Me and my sister see it today. It was €10 and it's got a little wrist strap. My phone
in the market for €5.
My phone is in there as well. What? That's not mine.
Oh, are they not? Oh, they must be Casey's.
My mum's just give me those, and they're not even mine. They're my sister's knickers.
They're brand new.
They are clean.
Brand new before.
Mikey's being fed.
No, it's been
Oh,
fed.
he's been fed. We're gonna go out for some dinner. So yeah, I'll catch you a bit later. Right. Look, sleeping. Oh, you can't see him. Say hi, Mikey. Say we're in an Indian restaurant. So the man came. We're in an Indian restaurant. I'm vlogging for Denise. If you don't know, my name's Casey. She'll leave my channel link down below somewhere eventually.
It's always linked down below.
It's always linked down below apparently. This is my lovely washed hair. Started now.
5, 4, 3. Testing. 1, 2, 3.
So we're in the Indian restaurant.
My dad just took the phone off me, so if you did see the clip before, I don't know if you will.
But we've got some poppadoms. Bubba's down there.
This is our second lot because they're so nice.
Yeah, so I've ordered a chicken tikka masala with keema rice and a something for starter. Casey's ordered that, but with
Sheikh kebab, no, sheikh kebab for starter.
no, not sheikh kebab. It was something else.
Yeah, it was sheikh kebab for starter.
Oh, well, whatever it was.
And
Anyway,
chicken tikka masala with this chef's special rice, which I think is similar to special fried rice.
baby.
I've ordered KFC.
He's such an idiot. So we're gonna enjoy this, and I'll talk to you in a bit. Mikey, come here. Come here.
Do you want some poppadom?
Look, baby likes poppadom. Is that nice? You like the poppadom? Stop, it's the hood's up. I don't know if you can hear me, but